Let's learn. Turn the radio up. It's choreographed by Miguel, Belloque Vane, Karla, Smith, and Nicole, LeBrun. It is a 32 count 2-wall improver level line dance with restarts on walls 3 and 6 after 16 counts. I'm going to turn around and break down the dance section by section using steps and counts. We'll then practice the front wall all the way through with steps and counts, talk about the restarts and the ending, and then we're going to go through and dance 7 walls of the dance so that you know how it flows, so you can hopefully dance this on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn. Turn the radio up. Section 1, your weight's going to start on your left foot. We're going to do 2 walks forward, step right, left. Step forward with your right, do a half pivot over your left shoulder, putting your weight onto your left foot to face 6 o'clock, and then make a quarter turn over your left shoulder, stepping your right foot to the right side to face 3 o'clock. We're now going to cross our left behind our right, step your right foot to the right side, and cross your left over your right. We're going to rock our right foot to the right side, and as you recover, you're going to make a quarter turn over your left shoulder, putting your weight onto your left foot and flicking your right foot back to face 12 o'clock. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your left, doing your 2 walks forward. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. Section 2, we're going to do right and left step walk steps forward. So you're going to step your right foot forward, you're going to bring your left foot in and behind your right, step your right foot forward. Step your left foot forward, bring your right foot in and behind your left, step your left foot forward. We're now going to do a right rocking chair, rock forward with your right foot, recover back onto your left, rock back with your right foot, recover forward on your left. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your left, doing your step block step. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 3, we're going to step forward with our right foot. You're going to do a quarter pivot over your left shoulder, putting your weight onto your left foot to face 9 o'clock. And then we're going to do a crossing shuffle, right over left, cross right over left, left side, right over left. We're now going to make a quarter turn over our right shoulder, stepping back with your left foot to face 12 o'clock. Step your right foot to the right side, and then do a crossing shuffle, left over right, cross left over right, right side, left over right. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your left, you're doing your quarter pivot. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Section 4, in our final section of the dance, we're going to step our right foot to the right side. You're going to touch your left next to your right, and then step your left foot to the left side. Cross your right behind your left, step your left foot to the left side, cross your right over your left. We're now going to rock our left foot to the left side. You're going to recover back onto your right, and we're going to do a half sailor, turning over your left shoulder. So as you recover, you want to slightly open your body to the left. And now we're going to do that half sailor. You're going to make a quarter turn over your left shoulder as you cross your left behind your right. Make a quarter turn over your left shoulder, stepping your right foot out to the side to face 6 o'clock. And then you're going to step your left foot out to the side but slightly forward. And that is the end of the dance. So let's try that with some counts. We just finished our crossing shuffle. We're going to step to the right. So it's 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And that is the whole dance. So now let's face the front. We're going to do it 1 time through with steps, 1 time through with counts. Weight is on your left, starting with your walks forward. So it's walk, walk, 3/4 pivot with a side step, behind side, cross side, rock, quarter flip. Step, block, step, block, step, rocking chair. Step, quarter pivot, crossing shuffle, quarter side, crossing shuffle, side touch side, behind side, cross side, rock, recover, half sailor step. Let's try it with some counts. Weights on your left, doing your 2 walks. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And that is the whole dance. So now let's talk about the restarts. Your restarts are going to happen on walls 3 and 6, both after 16 counts. The great thing is both times it will be facing 12 o'clock. So let's face the front. We're going to dance those 16 counts. Weight is on your left, starting with your walks forward. So it's walk, walk, 3/4 pivot with a side step, behind side, cross side, rock, quarter flip. Step, lock, step, rocking chair. Right here, you will restart the dance doing wall 4. You'll dance wall 4 and wall 5 all the way through. The next time that we come back to the front wall, you'll dance those same 16 counts and then restart to do wall 7 to the front. After that, you dance wall 7 and wall 8 all the way through. Wall 9 is the final wall of the dance. What we're going to do is dance all the way up until you do your side rock recover, and then we're going to talk about how to do the ending. So let's dance those 30 counts. Weight is on your left, you're doing your walks. Walk, walk, 3/4 pivot with a side step, behind side cross, rock, quarter flip. Step, lock, step, rocking chair. Quarter pivot, cross and shuffle. Quarter side, cross and shuffle. Side touch, side, behind side, cross side, rock, recover. Right here, instead of doing a half sailor step to put you at 6 o'clock, we're just going to change it to a stationary sailor step. So we're going to stay facing 12 o'clock. You're going to do your behind, out, out. At this point, there's only about 8 counts before the music completely ends. All we're going to do is you are going to either step forward or stay where you are. I stayed where I was because the step sheet did not say to step forward. So I kept my feet out like this, and you're just going to bring your right hand up to about shoulder height, and then your left hand up to about shoulder height. And you're going to do it nice and slow, so it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then you'll stay like this until the music ends. It's only a few counts after that before the music is completely over. And that is the whole dance. So now let's go around. On the front wall, I'm going to do steps. Back wall, I'm going to do counts. I'm going to dance 7 walls of the dance so that you can practice the transition from the restarts into their next walls. Weight is on your left. We're starting with our walk. So it's walk, walk, 3/4 pivot, side, behind side, cross, rock, quarter flip. Step, lock, step, rocking chair. Quarter pivot, cross and shuffle. Quarter side, cross and shuffle. Side touch, side, behind side, cross, side, rock, recover, half sailor step. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 16 counts. Walk, walk, 3/4 pivot, side step, behind side, cross side, rock, quarter flip. Step, lock, step, rocking chair. Restart. Walk, walk, 3/4 pivot with a side step, behind side, cross side, rock, quarter flip. Step, lock, step, rocking chair. Quarter pivot, cross and shuffle. Quarter side, cross and shuffle. Side touch, side, behind side, cross, side rock, recover, half sailor step. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 16 counts. Walk, walk, 3/4 pivot with a side step, behind side, cross side, rock, quarter flip. Step, lock, step, rocking chair and restart. Walk, walk, 3/4 turn with a side, behind side, cross side, rock, quarter flip. Step, lock, step, rocking chair. Quarter pivot, cross and shuffle. Quarter side, crescent shuffle. Side touch, side, behind, side cross, side rock, recover, half sailor step. At this point, you'll dance the last 2 walls before you do your ending on that final wall. So now that you've learned it with the tutorial, you can use the timestamp in the video description below to skip to the rear demo so you can practice as much as you would like, so you can hopefully go and dance this on a dance floor near you. I hope this helped you learn. Turn the radio up. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, guys.